Hi, I'm Nick with Modern Sprout in Chicago.
If you've ever been curious about starting your garden from seed, and even better, getting the kids involved, then stay tuned because we are going to share a few tips and tricks to get you started. Plus, we have a great garden activity sheet for the kids. This tool is available to you to print out at home. Check out the PDF linked on this page.
Whether you're growing a patio pot garden or have a sprawling backyard, you can have an edible garden. When the chill of winter starts to fade, is the perfect time to start your outdoor garden planning. For most plant types, you will start seedlings 4 to 8 weeks before the last frost date. We've included a link to the Farmer's Almanac to determine your region's last frost date. Starting seedlings indoors ensures they'll get a strong start and protects them from the elements. This will earn you a longer growing season and access to some awesome seed varieties. There's a reason that people rave about heirloom tomatoes. They're delicious. There's literally thousands of varieties, but only a few of them are available grown as transplants. So starting from seed is always our recommendation. When planning your garden, some things to keep in mind are what you would like to grow, how much space you have, how close to water you are, and not often thought about, but very important, is how to integrate pollinator flowers to boost your yields. This is more important than you'd think and protects the habit of these critical creatures. On our garden starter map, each square represents 1 square foot. Some plants require more space to grow properly. On the plant sheet, you'll see a small number which represents how many of those plants you can plant in that given square foot of soil. The map also includes suggested plant pairings and some more garden planting tips. Once you've decided what you'd like to grow, you can purchase seeds and soil. Most local garden centers carry a variety of fruit, vegetables, herbs, and wildflowers. In many parts of the country, you can start seeds indoors in late March. Once your seedlings have 2 to 3 sets of leaves and your region's last frost date has passed, you can transplant your seedlings outside. Be mindful that not all seeds will sprout. This is Mother Nature at work. It is best to start more seeds than you think you'll need, then you can select from the healthiest looking ones when you're ready. Before your seedlings go into the ground, we need to harden them off. That's garden speak for adapt them to the new climate. You can do this by placing them outside in the shade, out of the wind for a couple hours each day, working up to 7 hours of daily outside time over the next 1 to 2 weeks. When you do transplant your seedlings, remember to be careful with their roots. We love using natural biodegradable pots over plastic because you can plant them directly in the ground. Now that your plants are in the garden, you want to water and feed them regularly. Feed according to the direction on your fertilizer packaging. Watering varies greatly by region, but if the soil is dry and the plant leaves are sagging a little, it's a good sign it's time. To learn more about some of the products we've talked about today and to get your garden planner map, please visit modsprout.com. Thank you.